everyone, welcome to Naresh IT Technologies. This is Srinivas. So in this video, as we will see, one technical code on pointers. See, this is the code they have given. They have given one array, and after that the array, the base address they are assigned to one pointer variable, and in the printf function, they are printing 3 integers by specifying the format specifiers and 3 expressions they have mentioned. So after evaluation of these 3 expressions, we should execute. So generally, in a printf function, whenever we are providing some values to execute, it follows a stack rule like last in first out. Executes, evaluate the expressions from right to left and printing the values from left to right. It's just opposite. Right to left and left to right. Like this it will execute. So first of all, what we should execute means what? This one. One is a second one and it is a third one. So first we allocate the memory to this one and the base address PTR is pointing to this one. So first the last expression we are executing. Pointer PTR minus minus. It's a post decrement. Substitute the value 1000 plus 2 plus 5. 1000 and 1000 plus 2. After this, the value you should decrease, that is 998. Just minus 2. 1000 plus 2. 1000 plus 1 plus 2. Here it is a 1000 plus 2 is a 1004 plus 5. Pointer to 1004 is a 4. 4 plus 5 value is a 9. That last expression value is a 9. Next it will come to that second expression, last but one. Pointer PTR value. What is that PTR value is now? 998 plus 2 minus 4. 998 plus 2. Here it is plus 1 and plus 2. So that is 1002 minus 4. Here it is a pointer to 1002 is what? 5 minus 4 value is a 1. And next that last one is a pointer plus plus PTR. Nothing but the value increased by 2 become 1000. Here it is a 1000 plus 2 pointer. So what is that pointer to 1000? The value which is inside the location is a 9. Is a 9. 9 plus 2 value is a 11. Evaluation from right to left, but printing from left to right only. So that value 11 will print here, 1 will print here and 9 will print here. Output is a 11, 1, 9. This is how it executes. This is expression evaluation. Right? Hope you understood. For more videos, please subscribe to Naresh IT channel. Thank you.